Hello guys, Bobby Drives here. So today I'm going to be showing you what my new car is. It is a BMW 640 diesel. This is what's replaced my previous car, which was a BMW E92 330 diesel, which I still love, but I just thought it's time to get a new car. And here it is, guys. Absolutely love it. This is not going to be a full in-depth review like I normally do. This is going to be a quick 3-4 minute video, just to walk around, checking out some of the features and just having a quick chat about the car. I actually did this so then I can share with you guys at home what my new car is. The full review will come soon. I've just been so busy with doing other car reviews, I just haven't had time, but I will get this done soon. But yeah, let's have a look around this car and check out some of its features. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Do hit the bell notification button so you'll be notified for new videos. Smash the likes button if you did like it, it does really help me. And don't forget to follow me at Bobby Drives. So guys, let's start with a quick walk around the car. The first thing I'll talk about is the exterior. So this is Alpine white. You've got 20-inch black and sport alloys, which have been sprayed black, not by me. I've got to say guys, I've bought a car like this, I haven't done anything to it, and I think it looks badass, even like with the black front kidney grills. Or you can tell I didn't waste no time, I've put my plate on there. And what I really like are the lights. These are full LED adaptive lights. Normally you just get normal xenons on this, but that is a big extra itself. Going around, let's have a quick look inside. So it's black interior, so it's, yeah, black and white. That's the inside of the car. What I do like, you do have a panoramic roof, which again is a massive extra. You probably can't see it, but up here, well, there you go. You can just about see it. It's got a heads-up display, which I really like. Yeah, another thing I really like, when you close the doors, soft closing doors. Oh, one other thing I forgot to mention, guys, is the speakers. So this is the Bang & Olufsen sound system. Now apparently it's a hard extra to get in there. Check this out. As soon as I turn the music on, watch the speaker pop up. Way, look at that. And if I turn the radio off, back it goes in. So that's the interior. Back of it is debadged. It's got twin exhausts, one on the left, one on the right. Again, these are full LED lights, and I just think they look so nice. I've always said with the 6 Series, the whole presence of it, or the profile that is flat and straight and wide, it just looks beautiful. The previous owner has also put spacers on them, so this is why the wheels do stick out a little bit and they look just nice and wide and a bit more chunky. But yeah guys, it's just a quick little walk around the car. There's so many other things I want to talk about, but I just thought if I could share this with you, then at least you can see what I'm now driving. The previous owner also put on a carbon fibre rear spoiler. Now I don't know if it's real carbon fibre, but yeah, it just looks apart. Really like the way this looks. I'm not going to do anything to it, I'm just going to keep it exactly the way it is. A few things worth mentioning. So this being a 640 diesel, it is powered by a 3-litre twin-turbo diesel engine. It produces 313 brake horsepower, I think about 460 pounds of torque, meaning you get your 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds and a top speed of 155 miles an hour. So it is quite a fast car. The best thing is you're meant to get around 40 miles per gallon. I'm getting about 33, 34 at the moment, which is brilliant. Like I had an M3 years ago and I was getting like 13, 14 miles per gallon. So anything above 25 I'm really happy with. But yeah guys, just absolutely love this car. One thing I really like is that sunroof. It's just, never had a car which has a sunroof. I had a convertible, but you know, not a sunroof. One thing I've got to say guys, with this roof, it doesn't actually go, well let me do it this way. It doesn't go back, it only goes up. Bit of a shame, but yeah, it's a really high spec 6 Series, so that's why I particularly went for this one. I've got quite a good price as well. I was looking for a new car, but I wasn't expecting to just get a new car like that. This came at the right price, it had the right specs, so I thought, right, let me get it. And now I've got it guys, so I'm still getting to know this car a little bit more. I just thought I'd do this quick video so you guys at home can see what I've bought. I will get that full in-depth review done soon, so keep an eye out for that. But if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Do hit the bell notification button so you'll be notified for new videos. Smash the likes button if you did like it, it does really help me. And don't forget to follow me at Bobby Drives.